Hi, welcome to Julius Bar. Today we're gonna mix an Earl Grey Tea and Mezcal cocktail. So I was visiting a bar in Ebisu called Triad. It's a part of this group of bars. They all start with TR, the most famous of which is called Bar Triad, and they are all excellent bars. Triad is the more casual one, but they had a really interesting drink on their menu which featured elderflower liqueur, mezcal and Earl Grey tea. I don't remember how the cocktail was done. I actually didn't see the bartender doing it, but I just thought it was a good combination of flavors. So I went back to the drawing board, starting with these three flavors, and I tried to develop something pleasant. And now I'm gonna tell you what kind of proportion I came up with. Let's get started. We are gonna work in our shaker and we're gonna start with 15 milliliter of elderflower liqueur, Germain. It's gonna provide all the sugar we need for this drink. And then we go on with 50 milliliters also of Carpano Dry. It seems like every cocktail I make, I either use Carpano Dry or Antica Formula. So Carpano, if you're listening, please call me. I'm available as an ambassador for your brand. Just let me know when and how. And then we go on with 45 milliliters of Earl Grey tea. I brewed this yesterday, but I think it's still fine. I kept it in the fridge. And I use the same Din and DeLuca Earl Grey tea I use for the Earl Grey Martini I did a while back. Anyway, 45 milliliters of this excellent Earl Grey tea. And then we finish with mezcal, and we're going to use 45 milliliters of this Ajal, which is really good for the price. It's 40% ABV. Actually, I just tried it neat and compared to the older bottle of this mezcal I had, and they were both great. Just different kind of fruits lying below the smoke of the mezcal. Anyway, we are done. Let's get some ice and let's give this bad boy a shake. Let's fine strain in our chilled coupe. And there you go! I would like to call this cocktail the Picard in Durango. Nice smoky smell. This is good. You have the fruits, the orange and the bergamot of the Earl Grey tea. Marry perfectly the fruitiness and floral characteristics of the elderflower. In between those you get some fruits and flower also from the Carpano, and definitely some fruits hidden down below like apricot, pear and apple of the smoke of the mezcal. This makes a really beautiful bouquet of fruits that you find in this cocktail just lying under the surface of the smoke of the mezcal. And that's a great combination. Just like when you have a good Islay whiskey, a smoky whiskey, what you want is to find something, some fruits, some really nice flavor hidden below the layer of smoke on top. That makes everything more interesting. It's neither sweet nor dry, well balanced, and it's not too strong thanks to the 45 milliliters of Earl Grey tea. And I just think this is a really great cocktail. Easy recipe, and as long as you have some Earl Grey tea, it's really easy to do. I really like this. It's a winner, winner, winner. Chicken dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like. Shake yourself something fruity, possibly with mezcal, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. So the name of this cocktail is Picard in Durango. Durango is the place where they make this nice mezcal called Ajal. And Picard is the captain of the starship USS Enterprise in many series, but starting with Star Trek Next Generation. Now, I'm not a fan of Star Trek. I don't dislike it, but I just never really watched it. But on the other side, for being somebody that never watched much of anything about Star Trek, I know a whole lot that trickled down on me right from the pop culture. Like, for example, that the original movies, the odd ones are not really good, but the even ones are. And there is a movie about whales, which is either the best thing ever or the worst. Captain Kirk really liked to punch people. They had the first interracial kissing on Star Trek, I think. There was a story about that. And of course I forgot to mention the meaning why Jean-Luc Picard in this cocktail. It's because Jean-Luc Picard is notoriously a big fan of Earl Grey Tea, but he has origins in France. So Saint-Germain. So we put everything together. Except for the Carpal Dry. I guess that's just the Italian in me that really likes to put it in any cocktail. I also know that Will Wheaton characters was hated by everybody. I don't know. I just know that.